Nobody told me that after 50, my energy would start acting like a cell phone battery. I could wake up at 100%, handle some business, run a couple of errands, and eat lunch. And suddenly, I'm at 12%, looking for a charger. And that afternoon nap, that's not being lazy, that's a system update. But here's what I've learned. As I've gotten older, I can't spend my energy like it's unlimited anymore. I have to pay attention to what drains me. That includes poor sleep, unhealthy foods, sitting around too much, and yes, certain people. Some folks can drain your battery without even bringing a charger. I protect my energy. I try to get enough sleep, stay active, drink water, eat better, and give my most important work the best part of my day. And when my body tells me to slow down, I listen. Because resting isn't quitting. Sometimes rest is what allows you to keep going. Now, if your energy suddenly changes or you constantly feel exhausted, don't just blame your age. Talk to your doctor and get checked. Getting older doesn't mean you stop moving. It means you become more intentional about where your energy goes. Follow me for episode 3, Things Nobody Told Me About Your Skin After 50. Because apparently, lotion is no longer optional.